Hello, dear aspirants. I hope all of you are really working very hard for your upcoming examinations, upcoming CSI NET and GATE examinations. My name is Kripasindhu Kormukar. I welcome you all to the brand new episode of Chemistry, where chemistry is easy, right? So previously we have uploaded the two questions. If you have not seen these videos, then please go and check out the previous videos. Then just try these particular questions. Just pause the video, try this particular question and answer. देखो बहुत बच्चे आंसर नहीं दे रहे हो, आई नो राइट, बट यू मस्ट नॉट डू इट बिकॉज इफ यू डू द आंसर एंड आपका अगर आंसर सही हो गया तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है, राइट? क्योंकि तुम्हें आंसर तो पता चल रहा है ना, कुछ ही देर बाद पता चल जाएगा, राइट? So try to solve this particular questions and then just see that whether your answer is correct or not, right? Because then only you'll be getting the essence of understanding the chemistry, right? So you'll be feeling proud of yourself, okay? तो चलो बहुत ज्ञान दे दिया। आज इसके बाद करेंगे द शॉर्टेस्ट वेवलेंथ, the short wavelength limits of the Lyman series in the spectrum of hydrogen is which nanometer? Examination में unit is taking place very major role, right? Suppose you have done each and everything but you have not seen the units carefully, then there is a very high possibility of that particular questions to be wrong. The Rydberg constant has been given 109691 centimeter inverse. Okay, so whenever a particular questions be given, just see what is the question, like what are the equations that you know. तुम्हें जो जो इक्वेशंस पता हुआ होता है उसको एक बार लिख के रखो, दैट विल बी वेरी मच हेल्पफुल फॉर योर एग्जामिनेशन, राइट? नाउ यू नो द फ्रीक्वेंसी वैल्यूज, राइट? सो फ्रीक्वेंसी वैल्यू फॉर ए ट्रांजिशंस क्या होता है? सो फ्रीक्वेंसी कैन बी रिप्रेजेंटेड एज ए न्यू बार, एंड न्यू बार तुम्हें पता है वन वन अपॉन लैम्डा, but lambda is the wavelength and frequency is the new bar. Bar represents that the unit is remaining present into the centimeter inverse. Okay, great. So this value would be, इस फॉर्मूला को तुम्हें याद रखना पड़ेगा, राइट? व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला? 1 by lambda is equals to r of h. R of h is nothing but the Rydberg constant. I'm writing down all of the things so that you do not have any problem regarding this Rydberg constant. And divided into 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. So basically you need to take the inverse of this 1 by n1 square, 1 by n2 square. Okay. Now देखो क्वेश्चन में दिया होता short wavelength. Okay. What do you mean by the short wavelength? Short wavelength means the wavelength must be less. So if the wavelength is less, अगर मान लो wavelength कम है, इसका मतलब क्या है? What do you mean by that? If the wavelength is less, that means actually frequency. Wavelength and frequency is inversely proportional. So you are understanding that if wavelength is less, then frequency will be more. Let's suppose you are having the two parts. One is the first part, one is the second part. So for being this frequency more, then second part must be less or more. Then you are understanding this second part must be less. लेस होना पड़ेगा ना, देन ही तो फ्रीक्वेंसी मोर हो जाएगा, राइट? फ्रीक्वेंसी पार्ट टू बी मोर देन इनटू दिस पर्टिकुलर पार्ट, सेकंड वाला पार्ट मस्ट बी लेस. सेकंड वाला पार्ट मस्ट बी लेस इनटू व्हेन ऑफ द केसेस. तब सेकंड वाला पार्ट लेस होगा. देखो सेकंड वाला पार्ट विल बी लेस व्हेन n2 विल बी इक्वल्स टू इंफिनिटी. बिकॉज इफ द इंफिनिटी n2 का वैल्यू अगर इंफिनिटी हो जाएगा, देन दिस पार्ट का वैल्यू वुड बी 0. देन यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग, राइट? एंड द लीमन सीरीज, सो यू नो द लीमन Balmer Paschen bracket Hund Humphreys, right? So the value of n1 is equals to 1. Everything is clear to all of you. Now just write down all of the values. देखो तो क्या होगा? So frequency value. So this value you will be putting this value for the short wavelength only. This is a very important. Into the next questions we'll be discussing about how to find out for the longest wavelength. Short wavelength के लिए ये वाला use होगा, right? So new bar would be the RH. RH के वैल्यू बैठा दो 109691 into 1 divided by 1 square minus 1 divided by infinity square. So you're understanding. So finally, if you write these values, so this value would be into the centimeter inverse. Now do not forget that you need to get the wavelength, right? So currently you are getting the frequency. Finally you need to transfer it from the frequency to the wavelength. So मैं directly answer लिख रहा हूँ. Just see whether you are getting it or not, or am I doing any mistakes? Just let me know, okay, into the comment sections. So the answer of the wavelength is coming 91.16 nanometer. 91.96 nanometer. Now I hope you know the unit conversion for this, right? Because see, if you just reciprocating these values, then you'll be getting the wavelength in centimeter. Now you need to get the transfer the centimeter to the nanometer. I hope all of you will be able to do that, right? This is a very simple unit conversions. So the answer of this particular question should be A. Very, very congratulations to the students who have given the answer A. Thank you so much everyone for watching. Have a great day.